Okay. So, yun mga boss. Expect niyo yung video na yon. Alright. So, by the way, BYG versus Peach Republic, Kalasag at 7 sign this Friday mga boss. So, sayang lang hindi tayo makakapag live kasi 10 p.m. to yung pasok natin sa trabaho is 9 p.m. At the same time, Friday kasi. Pero kung Sabado lang yun, okay na sana. Pero sige lang, walang problema. Tapos sa Facebook, by the way, magla-live na tayo next week. So, pwede na tayo makapag-live sa Facebook. Kasi kailangan ng 60 days bago makapag-live sa Facebook. Eh. Bago kasi yung account ko. So, yun. So, kita-kita tayo sa Friday. Parang sa gustong mga players diyan na gustong manood in game, parang Channel 5 Tarim Ferry. Okay, so kita-kita tayo diyan at 10 p.m. sa 10 p.m. sa Aris server. All right. So again, di tayo makakapag-live niyan kasi may pasok tayo. Syempre, sa totoong buhay tayo, kailangan tayong lumaban. So doon na muna tayo. All right. So welcome pala sa mga boss, mga sa Dotski TV channel natin. So sa mga bago, don't forget to subscribe, like our videos, and comment down below, especially to our friends living or who's in a different country. Shout out to all Vietnam players, Indonesia, and other foreign players playing Silk Road Online Mobile. Shout out to you guys. Thank you for your support. Chinese. Chinese is making a name on our server. So previously, Vietnamese is the one dominating the Aris server, and also with Filipinos. And but right now, Chinese is making their name. Most of the higher levels right now are Vietnam and Chinese, but I believe Chinese have overtake the dominating Vietnamese. All right. So, kung check natin 'yan. Okay. So, Kyudan. So, check natin Vietnam. Vietnam pa rin. Vietnam. All right. So, yun. Yung mga Chinese. Lumalabas na yung mga Chinese. Actually, level lang to eh. But dun sa dun sa mga naging top 2 na yung mga Chinese. Okay, shout out to you all guys. Lumalaban. So marami ng kompetisyon. Okay, so kita-kita tayo by Friday. So our content for today guys is we will be trying to upgrade and improve our weapon level 64. So we're going to replace our weapon. The one that you're seeing is a level 56 spear plus 10. So we're going to replace it with spear level 64. Alright, so mga idol. By the way mga boss, Bisaya lang tayo pero nagtatagalog din tayo. So remix. So bali, tinatagalog natin tapos tinatranslate natin to English para maintindihan naman ng mga ibang viewers natin since nagko-comment din naman sila. Alright, so saglit lang. Alright, so lagyan natin ng music background. Okay, so our content for today is how preparing our level 64 weapon. Okay, so as what you can see, meron na akong plus 4 Seal of Star Spear. Tapos ang pangit ng stats pa niya. So, yeah, I have a Spear SOS, Seal of Star, but the stats are not that good. So we're going to update. We're going to improve the stats at the same time. Try to plus 7 it today. Okay, mga boss. So, try natin. So first is prayers. Second is prayers ulit. At third is prayer. Okay. So, check natin. Self bonus. Wala na ba akong ano? Wala na, guys. So, what we'll be doing is we're going to, because it will provide you additional luck. Teka ha. So, training daily free, prayer refresh, silver, golden pack, buyable, bonus, damage restore, 5% enhanced rate. So, napakatalaking tulong na ng 5%. Alright. So, bali 500. Alright. So, bali gagawin natin is bibili muna tayo ng premium para dagdag na enhancement rate. Okay. So, lipat muna natin to dito. So, i-access ko muna sa sa cellphone ko yung game. Purchase tayo ng premium saka tayo mag-enhance ng alchemy kasi nadadagdagan ng 5% enhanced rate. Okay? So again, our premium hour has already been depleted. So we will be purchasing a premium hour card, but I need to access it through my phone and purchase it from there. So let's just replace this real quick. Okay, so bear with me mga boss habang nagpo-purchase tayo. Alright. Okay. So, ito yung ating second. Ito yung ating bali tawag nito. Hindi naman siya bot. It's like yung taxi party. So, ito mga boss. Purchase lang tayo. So, for you to purchase, what I'm doing is just clicking on this directly since I've already set up my payment through Apple Store. So, yung iba nagpa-purchase sa Gomo, just can do that. Parang may less na content dun sa Gomo. So, yung sa atin is direct tayo dito sa application para tuloy-tuloy na. So, saglit lang. Alright, so nakapag-login na tayo sa mobile. Okay, so purchasing now. 499 Philippine money. So another 30 days premium. Yan. Okay, let's check. You're all set. Your purchase was successful. Okay. Ganun na yung pag-top up ng premium card mga boss. So, $9.99. Okay. So, click ko na lang tayo. Okay. So, let's go back. Alright. Okay. So, let's log in. So, that's how you can easily purchase premium. So, I would recommend you purchase the last one instead of the first two premium, because you will also get silk at the same time, higher percentage, or what I mean, a higher rate of additional person. Let's check. Okay, nasa 27 days. So yun, so check natin. So nagbibigay ng premium hour ng training welfare plus 2 hours, daily free response, residential store refresh, daily free exploration dice plus 4. You can also purchase the silver and golden hour. So, kung gusto nyo mas mataas yung so actually pwede siguro to. Ito siguro ginagawa ng mga magta-top up na kaya mabilis magpa-level. Yung pina-purchase nila yung silver, yung gold kasi parang nag-ano possible naman So all these attributes will be added once you purchase this one. Pero I'm not sure if it's stackable. Katulad nito, XP boost. So nagsa-stack ba siya? Pero as what I can see here, if you're going to purchase the premium, daily silver pack and golden pack buyable. So buyable. So pwede mo din siyang ma-purchase. So ibig sabihin, pwede siyang mag ano, tawag nito. Pwede siyang mag stack up. So pero hindi naman tayo rich kid, mga boss. Hindi naman tayo masyadong rich kid. So hindi na natin gagawin 'yun. Hanggang 500 lang yung limit natin. Alright, so let's do this. So again, meron na tayong 100% XP, 5% HP, 5% MP, 5% damage absorb, 5% attack, at saka 5% enhanced rate. 3 daily premium rewards. Ito yon. So with silk for the remaining 27 days. So total of 28 days. Alright, so gagawin natin since naka-premium na tayo is bumili na muna tayo. So let's check first. Bakit ito? Okay, so may 10 tayong astral. So pwede tayo ng yung lucky powder. So alchemy. Okay. So level 8. Sus, napakamahal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 100 silk. Okay. Sige, laban. Okay. Alright. So, ikot-ikot mga boss. Ikot-ikot. Tamang ikot lang. Okay. So, by the way, mga boss, Ares for all Ares server players, I'm selling my use blade for just only 867 silk, and it's plus 9 good stats, 95% magical, 96% increased magical damage, physical. You can just it's actually a good item with a good rate. So if you can use it for if you're nuker, if you're in, you can just use this one since the rates are better for magical, but you can also change the stats. Okay, so it's already plus 9, so that can be useful for you. At the same time, it's cheap, 867. So bilhin nyo na ito mga boss. At the same time, ito plus 7, level 52, 578 lang. Bilhin nyo na, available. 867, so na-expire na pala. Okay, paunahan na lang mga boss. Bargain sale. Lugi sale na yun. Alright. Okay. So, let's try. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, check natin. May nag-message. Gusto nyo palitag good ni ako 316. Kalit lang sa boss. Kadiyot lang sa boss. Kadiyot lang sa boss. Kay content himo po video. So shout out kay Joseph Layson. By the way, shout out sa sa gumawa ng video natin kanina sa BYG versus Seven Sign, PH Republic, Kakalasa Guild. So sa tingin ko si Boss Ashura yata yung gumawa ng video. So, shout out to you, boss. As syempre sa nag-coordinate ng war is si Boss J. Coruña. So, if mali ako sa kay Boss Ashura na hindi siya naggumawa ng let me know para ma-update din natin, ma-correct natin. So, yung alam ko kasi nakita ko sa GC namin is si Boss Ashura. Pero kapag hindi, let me know mga boss. Okay. So, Let's try. So hopefully we can do this. So plus 7. Check muna natin yung ano, kapag pahirapan yung plus 7, kapag madali lang yung pag plus 7 natin, subukan natin i plus 9. Okay? So, alright. So, let's check this out. Again. So, you have this powder and this one, but would recommend you use the uh, golden golden lucky powder. Lovely. So, let's try it. Come on, plus 5. Uy! Failed agad. Failed agad. Okay. Come on, boy. Huwag kang ganyan, boy. Oh, pangit mga dol. So, kasi there are times that when you're going to use alchemy, when mas malakas yung ano niya, yung success rate niya, minsan mahina. So, hindi ako nag-upgrade. So, susubukan natin. So, try muna natin recon. Okay, kasi nasasayang yung ano eh. Nasasayang yung silk tsaka yung mga um, equipment na ginagamit natin to upgrade. So, there are times that the success rate is too low. There are times that it's high. So, check natin yan. Kasi minsan, madali lang ng plus 4. Minsan, napakahirap. So, yun nga. So, parang stocks din na tumataas, bumababa yung chances. So, yun yung dapat yung i-observe na boss habang nag-alchemy kayo. Kung pangit talaga, pahirapan talaga, huwag kayo mag-alchemy. Pintayin nyo ng ilang mga araw. Okay. Lalo na kapag kaka-reset lang. Yun, maganda yun. Magandang mag-plus nung time na yun. So, let's try. At kapag hindi talaga, so, let's do this another time. Alright. Okay, dito na tayo. Huwag na, okay. So, check mo muna to. Okay. Alchemy. Come on mga boss. Plus 5. Yes. Alright. Plus 6. Come on. Okay. Wala. Plus 5 ulit. Oh, grabe. So, 5 more. Last one mga boss. 5 plus 5 plus 6. Tapos plus 7 agad. Kapag wala talaga, lipat tayo ng town. So again, there are times that the success rate is strong. There are times that it's not. And eventually, today, it's not showing the high success rate. So check natin yan. So we'll try to go to a different town in Dunhang. Hopefully we can remove the malas. Okay. Sana naman. Pero kaninang umaga, yung madaling araw, kasi mas mabilis, mas maganda. Bilis ko nga nakapag plus 5 eh. Walang ka fail. Yan. Okay. Lipat doon tayo sa taas. go! Doon tayo sa taas mga boss. Alright. So, last chance. Kapag hindi talaga siya makapag plus 7 is we'll do it this another time. Because again, the success rate as what I've observed, there time it depends on the time. There are times that the success rate is big. There are times that it's not. So it's what I mean. The higher the success rate is. Okay. Come on, mga boys. Okay, come on mga boss. Okay. Tuloy-tuloy natin to. Diretso-diretso na to. Okay. Alright. Okay. Diretso-diretso na to. Come on. Diretso-diretso na. So, last 3. Last 3. Last 3. Wag muna natin. Wag muna na. Tingnan natin. Wag muna natin. Bago natin ituloy yon. Reset muna natin yung yung stats niya. Okay. So, for you to get a random reset of the attributes, you can just use Refined Stone, which you can purchase it at the guild store every day. You will get the chance to purchase 4 of them at the guild store. So, Refine. Fail the God. So, medyo pangit yung no? Yung grabe ko. Pangit talaga yung success rate ngayon. Okay, so medyo gumanda naman. Check natin. So, 66, 30, 40, 4, 96. Ito lang yung gumanda. Yung iba, naging average lang. So, reset pala yun. Okay, relentless effort. Naging 96. Ang liit. Magical attack. Maganda na yun eh. Grabe. Huwag naman nun. Grabe failed by. Okay, let's check. Come on, boss. Kahit sa stats lang, bumawi ka. Okay. Magical attack. Yun! Yun, 99! Tapos 61 yung increased magical attack. Pwede na. 78 yung increased physical. 78 din yung physical attack. Pwede na. Konti lang yung hit ratio. Pwede natin i-reset yan ng Tapos, critical rate 54. Average. Ano to? Magical reinforce. Wag na. So, to reset magical reinforce, ito yung ibig sabihin niya. Yung sa baba, reinforce. Ito yung main. Alright. Pwede na to. 99%. Okay. So, tuloy ba natin? Tutuloy ba natin mga boss? Plus 7. Tutuloy ba natin? Okay. So, for this content, I have last 2 astral na lang. So, sana makuha natin to. Since maganda na naman yung stats niya, 99%. Hindi pa binigay ng 100%. Alright, pero at least, mataas na talaga siya mga boss. So, check natin, 39. So, from 30 equipment points, naging 39. Paano pa natin kung plus 7 to? Alright, come on, come on. Come on. Plus 6, plus 6. Plus 6, plus 6, plus 6. Alright. Okay. Plus 6, isang na lang mga boss. Isang bigaya na lang. Plus 6. Come on. natin plus 7. So, ano pang pwedeng gawin muna natin? Um, Wala pa siyang blues. May blues na ba ako dito? Plus 8. Ito. Ito yung kanina. Plus 8. Check natin to. Okay. Wala siya. So, may tablet na ba tayong plus 8? Okay. Tablet na plus 8 for weapon. Revival. Magic Stone. Tablet of Air. Wala tayong tablet na ano eh. Na pang... Wala tayong tablet na pang... Ayun, penetration. Meron, pwede natin to. Pwede yata to pang weapon. Okay. So let's try to... Uy, nagkulang. Kulang tayo ng elements mga boss. So, sayang. Okay. Try kaya natin bumili. Magic, tapos 8. Yung pinakamura 15. Air. Para sa ano to? Accessories. 9. Revival, Fornity, Fire. Ito, Fog. Magic. Ito, pwede ito sa ano. Ito sa Armor. Ito, pwede sa Armor din. Pari Armor. Penetration. Discipline. Strikes. Okay, sana to Strikes. Kaso mahal. 29. SDR in mamahal. Tapos napi-failed pa. Try natin isa. Sige, try natin isa. Para pang ano lang. Pampabasag lang ng ano. Pagpataas lang ng success rate. Parang ililigaw natin yung malas. Okay. Check natin. Okay. Ayun. Ayun. Hindi pala siya pwede. Hindi pala pwede yun, gagi. Sa ano pala yun? Sa armor? Hindi din sa armor. Sa shield yun. Kaya pala. So, ito yun. STR in. Meron naman Discipline. Ano ba yung na-purchase natin? Yun lang. Okay. Try natin. Kasi yung ginagawa natin is parang nililigaw natin yung system. So from plusing, yung nakita nyo kanina, nagre-refine tayo, tapos na plus agad. Tapos gagawin natin is we're trying to confuse the system. Okay, instead of just enhancing, adding some plus, what we're doing is that we're trying to anong English ng ano nililigaw, trying to let the system think that we're plusing, but we're stopping it, we're refining before we're going to go back to enhancing. Okay, so nakalisod na to. Alright, kung wala pa lang tayong subscribers na tawag dito, masyadong mahal. Ito, discipline. Ito, boss. Sige, sige, sige. Ito na lang. Try natin. Isa lang, isa lang. Okay. Yan. Okay. So, for the sake na mag iba yung iisipin ng system. Alright. So, we're going to add um, discipline so that increase block rate to add additional attribute for block rate. Come on. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Boom! Failed agad. Alright. So, ito na yun mga boss. Sa mga naghihintay. So, let's do this. So, we're going to plus 7. Plus 7. Okay. Okay, plus 7. Plus 6 ko na lang kaya muna. Plus 6 ko na lang kaya muna. Alam ko naman, ma'am, madali na. Kaya ko to plus 7. But for now, since napakababa na success rate, plus 6 ko kaya muna. No? Plus 6 ko na lang muna. Okay. Nagdadalawang isip na tuloy ako. Baka bukas mag-level na kasi ay, hindi pa pala. 2 days pa pala. Alright, sige na. Alauna na. Okay. Where is? Orimos. Good luck to all. Just for this content, let's plus 7 this. Alright. Okay. Nagdadalawang isip ako. Pero tuloy natin to. Come on, plus 7. Let's go, plus 7. Ang tagal. Pero sa nagpa-plus, maintindihan nyo naman ako. Kaya medyo thrilled. Okay. Subukan natin. Hintayin natin yung umikot hanggang umabot dito. Okay. Okay, plus 7. Come on. Plus 7. Plus 7. In 3, 2, 1. Ah! Nag-failed pa. Okay lang yung mga boss. Madali lang tayo plus 7. Promise. Alright. So, yun na yun. That's for all today for today's content. So, by our next content, level 64 na tayo, tapos naka plus 7 at or plus 9. Alright? So, again, don't forget to subscribe and support our channel by subscribing, like, comment, liking our videos, comment down below. Kung may gusto kayong mga content, may mga tanong kayo, please don't be afraid to comment down. Even though you're a foreigner or from a different country, that's fine. We have Google Translator, and we'll help you and answer your questions the best that we could. Okay, so good vibes na tayo mga boss. Yun lang, dito muna tayo siya. Dito muna siya. Alright. So thank you. Peace out.